Hey everyone, welcome back. Nowadays in this big data era, internet companies are hungrier than ever for data. They are not just looking at their own business data, but also collecting tons of market insights and competitor information. For many of us working online, this has become just part of the daily grind. So what's the most common way to grab all this data? Well, it's web crawling. But here's the thing. When it comes to picking the right proxies for your crawlers, a lot of people have no clue where to start. And that's understandable, because proxies exist mainly for one reason: anti-bot measures. Major platforms are cracking down hard. They might block IPs from certain countries, limit how often you can make requests, or just flag and ban unusual behavior outright. That's why having the right proxy is practically essential if you want your crawler to run smoothly. Now, when you're choosing a crawler proxy, there are a few things you absolutely need to keep in mind. First up, the size of the IP pool. Crawlers go through IPs like crazy, so having a big pool means you can rotate addresses constantly, which reduces the risk of being flagged and keeps your crawling stable over time. Next, stability is key. If your proxy network keeps dropping or slowing down, your data collection is going to grind to a halt. A solid, reliable network is what makes long-term tasks possible. Coverage is another biggie. Many crawling projects are location sensitive, so ideally your proxy network should cover multiple countries and major cities. And finally, think about anonymity and reversibility. High anonymity IPs give you access to more restricted or unknown sites, and they help keep your identity and business data secure. All in all, you need to be careful when choosing an overseas proxy provider. Focus on both the number and the quality of IPs. The bigger your IP pool, the lower the risk of being caught as a bot. With a large pool, you can pretty much make every request from a different IP, which is brilliant for keeping your crawling anonymous and hidden. Now, with so many proxy providers popping up in recent years, quality is all over the place. That's why testing and comparison are absolutely essential. On that note, I want to share one service my team and I actually use Leechy IP. From our experience, it's strong in IP pool size, purity, and coverage. Their large IP resources really help reduce the risk of bans and keep crawling stable over time. Speed and success rate are solid too. And the best part? They've got 24/7 tech support, so if anything comes up, you can just reach out through their website. Super convenient. So that's it for today's video. I hope this helps anyone working in overseas data collection, web crawling, or market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.